Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. From today I am starting SQL tutorial series. In this video I will cover the basics of SQL like what is data, databases, database management systems and application of SQL and so on. Now let's start the video. So what is data? Data actually refers to raw information which can be in any form such as numbers, image, text or videos, or the document including companies, employee records and so on. Data can be unstructured or we can structure them by organizing in different tables or databases. In short, data is everywhere, so it has to be managed properly for the efficient use. A database is an organized collection of structured data. Instead of saving information in random files, databases provide a structured way to store and organize data. Therefore, it helps users in storing large amounts of data more efficiently and making it easy for us to access, manipulate, and manage. A database management system, that is DBMS, is a software application which allows users to store, manage, and retrieve data efficiently. DBMS makes data management more simple by reducing data redundancy. Therefore, it ensures data security and data integrity as well. The two types of database management systems are relational database management system and non-relational database management system. The relational database system refers to RDBMS is a SQL database. It stores data in the tables with rows and columns, and it uses SQL for querying data. Similarly, non-relational database system is a NoSQL database system. It stores data in a non-tabular format and it is suitable for large amount of data. What is SQL? SQL is a structured query language. It's a programming language which is used to interact with relational database. SQL is used to perform CRUD operation. CRUD is acronym for C for create, R for read, U for update, and D for delete. SQL is the backbone for data management in relational databases. SQL was initially called as SQL. It was invented in 1970s and the original name was given by IBM as a structured English query language, and which is abbreviated as SQL. Later on, this name was turned into SQL due to some trademark issues, but still many people would like to pronounce it as SQL. It is perfectly fine either to call SQL or SQL. SQL is used in different industries in order to manage large amounts of data. Some of its applications are data analytics, in which SQL is used in business intelligence and analytics tool. Similarly, banking systems use SQL to store various customers' records or transaction details. SQL in healthcare is used to record patients' medical records, appointments, and many other. In the same way, SQL is very important for e-commerce, web development, and many social media platforms. Therefore, SQL is essential in every industry. SQL commands used to create the database are known as DDL, that is Data Definition Language. With data manipulation language, a database can be easily updated with new revised data. Data retrieval statements are written in data query language, that is DQL, that is used to access relational databases. Data control language commands handle users to the database by providing permissions like grant or revoke. TCL, that is transaction control language commands, manage transactions in relational databases. That's all for today. We understand what is data, database management system, SQL and its applications. As I mentioned earlier, SQL is widely used in different industries, so learning SQL is an essential skill for anyone interested in database management system and software development. Okay, that's all for the introduction to SQL. In the next video, I will go deeper into SQL commands and how query works. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next video.